President Rodrigo Duterte visited the troops here in Lumbanayage town. It's about 10 kilometers away from the clashes in Butig, where the troops are fighting the members of the Maute terror group. We have here Butig Mayor Pansar. He will tell us about the meeting with President Duterte. Sir, the message of President Duterte was "Help me." He said this to the troops and to the people of Lanao. What did he mean by "help me," sir, when you talk to him?
Sa aking pagkakaintindi, sa aming mga mayors, bilang mayor, dahil nandiyan kami, kumbaga kami ang frontline. So, we have to do our part na maintindihan ito for the people to understand, for the people to help the President na paano ma-contain, mawala itong maintindihan nila na mayroong programa ang Presidente para sa kanila kabutihan, pati yung mga anak nila. Kaya para huwag natin suportahan itong mga taong gumagawa ng panggulo.
Gaano ka-importante yung pagpunta niya dito, sir, at pagkausap sa mga tao dito in helping resolve the problem with the Maute group?
Napakalaki po dahil nakita natin yung how interested the President, how sincere President Digong Duterte na matulungan niyo, especially itong mga Muslim brothers pang Samuro.
So you can help by anong gagawin ng
marami po kaming una po, we have to do our part, yung maging strong and functional local government unit. Kami rin na paano makakarating sa mga tao, grassroots members of the community na ang magagandang programa ng Presidente.
And you are confident masasolve ito?
Palagay ko kung pagtulong-tulungan ito ng LGU, maraming tao, the provincial government, regional government, and our beloved President, palagay ko no reason na hindi masolve ang problema.
Thank you, sir.
Maraming salamat din. Thank you so much.
From here, President Rodrigo Duterte proceeded to Cagayan de Oro to visit the wounded soldiers. This is Carmel Fonbuena, Rappler, Lanao del Sur.